Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the tail lights fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, it's multiple ones in different fuse boxes, where you can guys buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well, that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the tail lights guys, fuse, where you can expect to find those fuses, we'll demonstrate on Ford Escape, that generation right here. This is the same generation, that's the model before the facelift, that's after the facelift, but it will work for both. Now guys, what can easily cause, where you can expect to find by the way, the tail lights fuses. One thing, okay, we need to open the hood now. So here under the hood you have that fuse box under that cover, and if you pull it out, you remove it, it looks like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check multiple fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check a few more. Oh, but by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Escape or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. Here guys, okay, we'll need to check multiple fuses. We'll come in that lower section here first, and we need to check here fuse number 21, fuse number 24, right next to each other. Then we need to go to the upper section. Here we need to check fuse number 39 right here, and fuse number 43 if you have it. You may have one relay that you need to check relay for, you may not. It really depends on which model option you have. Then you need to guys open the passenger door, come under the dash, on the passenger side, on the bottom of the dash, look upside down. You have one soft carpet liner attaches with 2 turning knobs, unscrew it, pull that carpet liner down, you have a hidden fuse box like this one. Here you will need to guys check fuse number 74 right here. The number is in the top right corner, and fuse number 76 here. Now those are guys the fuses for the tail lights, for any of you trying to find them. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.